Hey guys, good morning. So today is December 29. So samahan nyo kong mag-gym. Hi sir! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Hi ma'am! Kamukha mo ito mo.
Sino yan?
Layo ko sa Malabon.
Yan ba yun? Ah, talaga?
May asawa siya Makon. Ilan taon ka na ma'am?
20.
Kala ko kapatid mo. Ano na siya?
Kamukha na.
30...
Sige,
Nice to meet you.
you po.
G-Y-M, here I am. G-Y-M, here we go, here I am. Everybody's watching me. Yeah, they're watching. I know you're watching me. Why are you watching? I'm just working out, so leave me alone. This is party time. I'm good on my own. I'm just working out, so leave me alone. This is party time. I'm good on my own. I'm just working out.
So ayun, tapos na ako mag-gym. Naka-sale kasi ngayon sa Landers. So, ang dami palang tao. Dapat pala talaga inagahan na lang namin. But, you know, nagpunta muna kasi akong gym. So, hopefully, makahanap ako ng parking. Help me God na makahanap ng parking. In Jesus. Dapat ata nag-commute na lang muna ako.